Hi, my name is Chandler, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make cinnamon golfetos, a Venezuelan pastry. Cinnamon golfetos are a lot like American sticky buns that you would find in just a regular American bakery, but the two main differences are they have the star of anise in them, and they also have soft white cheese like used in Mexico. The first thing that you have to do is preheat the oven to 375. The first thing you need is 2 cans of crescent roll dough, butter, 4 tablespoons, Mexican dipping cheese, and brown sugar. So you're going to start by grating your cheese, and you're going to need 6 ounces, which is 3/4 of a cup. So after you grate your cheese, you're going to set it aside. So I'm going to put it over here. And then you're going to roll out the crescent roll dough onto a pan. So you take your dough and roll it out like this. Now you take the 4 tablespoons of butter and you melt it in the microwave. Okay, after the butter is melted, like it is right now, you take it and you put like a little bit on each piece of the dough and spread it. After you brush all of the dough with butter, you will take brown sugar, like half a cup of brown sugar, and you'll just sprinkle it on each. Whenever you're done spreading the brown sugar on the dough, it should look like that. You will take the majority of the cheese that you shredded earlier and spread it out just like you did to the sugar. After you've sprinkled the cheese on top of all the pieces of dough, you're going to roll them up like this. And then after you roll them up, you'll slice them into little pieces. Whenever you get them all cut up, they'll look like little pieces like this. And you'll cover your tray in wax paper or parchment paper and set them on there. Okay, after you get the rolls cut in the parchment paper out, you're going to place them on there like that, and you'll take butter and kind of drizzle it a little bit over the top of each one. You take the cinnamon golfetos and you're going to put them in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes. While waiting for the golfetos to bake, you're going to make the glaze. Now the glaze is made of brown sugar, anise, and water. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of water, so you're going to pour that in the pan and you're going to wait for it to boil. And while that's boiling, you can mix the other 2 ingredients together. Okay. So you're going to get the 2/3 cup of brown sugar and put it in the bowl of the rest of the butter that you had, which is about 2 tablespoons. So you're going to pour 2 tablespoons of anise. And like I said earlier, anise is used to make licorice. Okay, and then whenever it's mixed together, you'll add it to the water. So then you'll start stirring it, and you can see it better. And then you just let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Go. Okay, so whenever the rolls are done, you take them out of the oven. Whenever the rolls are done cooking, you're going to pour the glaze into a bowl and spread it, brush it, or like drizzle it on each roll. After you spread the glaze on top of each of them, you're going to sprinkle more cheese across the top of them. And then we'll put them back in the oven for just a little bit until the cheese melts. Okay, so now whenever the cheese melts, you can take them out of the oven and they're ready to eat. Alright, and then after you take them out of the oven, you can just grab your spatula and put them on a plate. And you're done.